Good morning, Sean. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Here we go again. I have another question for you. So, I want us to talk about Wi Fi and the different types. Some IT providers out there are strongly suggesting the latest technology in Wi Fi, for example, saying you need to get Wi Fi 7. Is this actually necessary?
So, Wi Fi 7 is an emerging technology. It's kind of like bleeding edge. You're going to pay a lot more for it, and if you need it, then you need it. But if you don't, you're paying an awful lot more for a feature or a speed or a new technology that really isn't going to give you the benefits that your business may need. What we recommend is going with Wi Fi 5 or 6 because it's a little bit less costly, and the benefits that it has are benefits that you're going to use. Now, you may need to future proof. In 5 to 10 years, Wi Fi 7 will become the de facto standard. But are you necessarily going to be using it in 10 years? That's an entirely different question that your business has to figure out. And that's where we help businesses determine whether or not that future proofing is necessary and if they're going to be moving into that Wi Fi 7 earlier than most of the rest of the industry, or if Wi-Fi 6 or 5 is going to be perfectly fine for your company's purposes for the next 5 to 10 years. And at which point then we reassess and we look at that current technology that is the de facto standard, which at that point may be Wi-Fi 7, and the price will have come down on the cost of that because you will have new emerging technologies, say Wi-Fi 8, 9, 10, or whatever they decide to name it at that point. That may be the bleeding edge at that point, which should be more expensive, and we use that cycle all over again.
All right. Well, this is really great. I think that it's important to know that your IT provider can help you along the way to make sure you're and understand that you are getting what you need and also not getting what you don't need. So,
Exactly.
thanks, Sean.